Good day, traders. This is Rich with some price action on Friday, April 24th, 2020. It's currently 4:12 p.m. Markets are closed for the weekend. Looking at the spider or the SPY, gradually moved up in the afternoon. Pretty extensive move, to be honest. Didn't break out completely. It needs to get to like 288 or so, but definitely made moves to the north side, and that's kind of set up the afternoon. The morning was kind of choppy, but that set up pretty good for me. I was having a pretty good morning, and then the afternoon got a little weird, but that's fine. Apple making its move up to 282, coming back up from 268 or 65. It got down to after I sold it, so I'm watching that. It's kind of fun to watch to see what that does. I think they have earnings on Tuesday, so that could shake things up. So let's get to the trades of the day. Pretty crazy, overtraded way too much. But I'm okay with that. I was just kind of taking trades I was looking at, and they actually all worked out for the most part the way I thought they would. And if they didn't, I took the small loss, except for one that I'll discuss in a second. So APT, this was a call in the room, and I jumped on this particular candle, and I took a small win. Small share size. It wasn't 50, but I just got out of it. I didn't like the trade as it was. BLPH is just a sucker's trade. I don't even know what I was getting in here. I was getting in the break here. And it just kind of went up and then just dropped on me. These are 5-minute candles. You can see how thin it is. It's not something I really want to trade going forward, even though it could just make rocket moves if it goes in your favor. BSGM, I did not trade. Beyond Meat, I did take this trade. I actually took a pullback trade on this pullback here for a move up to this level. Got a nice $74 on that trade, so that was good. And then CAR, did not look at that. CGC, I was looking at this. This was a nice little break here on this move on CGC. Chesapeake Energy, this is just a really whippy trader. It averages like a 50 cent spread, and it's just kind of nasty, even though it makes nice moves lately since it did like a reverse 200-to-1 split. Codex, I did take this trade early in the morning. You could just see the chop I got stuck in. Nothing really happened for me on this one, so I got out with a small loss. I traded a few times actually. I had a winner, I think, on this candle that made up for the loss on this move down. So not a great one. ERI, I was looking at the break of this move here, which was nice. 1790 would have gone 1830. Actually, I tried getting in and it jumped my price, so that's that. Facebook, I'll explain Facebook in a minute, but I'm really pissed at Facebook. Who isn't? There's some nice trade setups on MBOT today I kept hearing about in the room, but I didn't get any of that action. MESO was the big trade of the morning. You can see how it gapped up pretty high to 16 and just made up to 20.57, which is pretty intense. I think it was open at, we'll go back on the pre-market, at 8. So we're talking huge moves on that one. MRO, nothing much. Didn't do that one. NVAX, PSTI was called a couple times. I didn't like it. Stayed away. Roku made this move up. Excuse me. Made this move up after dropping off. I tried taking a break of 25.50 here. And then I tried again here, made back some money. I actually lost on one and made one, but I lost on this one for the day. SAVA was another breaking one. Just got out of it. It was a small share amount, 330 loss, no big deal. SDGR was a nice move, this 50 level, but I missed that one. Tilray, I got in on the break at the 8 here for a few bucks, and I was just trading it to test my skills of getting into trades. It wasn't so much. Tesla was the big trader of the day. Besides one more I'll tell you about in a second. Got in here for a move, and I got in here for a move, and I traded it like 6 times, but I did get this move, which was nice. I didn't take full advantage of it. I'm only trading 30, 40 shares at a time on Tesla. You can see a $79 profit. Not bad. Probably left a little bit out there because on one trade, actually I shouldn't say that, because one trade I sold it all and it went against me, so it was good I sold it all for a nice gain. But then the next trade, I left some out there and it flew like 3 more points. So you just never know. You have to take what you get. The crazy trader of the day was Zoom. I've been trading this all week, and I made a couple trades early in the morning, and then I was in this trade here, right here, the break of the 80 level, and it went up. All of a sudden, I saw it turn hard, and the bids dropped off, and I just hit the flatten button. Fortunately, I got out for like a point loss, but look at this thing, all the way down to 157 now, 160 we'll call it for close of the day, or 158. I'm sorry, and that's a significant move down. Facebook announced that they're coming out with their own video software, and I got wrapped. I mean, this was a rug pull. I was up on the day from these early trades, like $100. So it was unfortunate that this happened. And then I started looking at Facebook, going back to Facebook. I saw it hit 190 here. So I was looking to trade 190 here. It just popped and dropped on me, and then it popped and dropped, and it was just a mess. So it took 2 trades for a $50 loss here. And by the end, I made $50 on the day. Not terrible considering I should have been up about $200. I never thought I would be negative today. Actually, I got negative today. I'm sorry, because I was in that stupid Zoom trade. I was up $100 on Zoom and I ended up being down 16. So, I mean, fortunately, I wasn't in big shares, stuff like that. But people got hammered on this. People in the room got hammered. I was fortunate not to. And, that's going to happen. That's part of trading. So, I'm okay with that. And I'm going to close out the video right now. You guys have a great week and enjoy your time. Hopefully you have some nice weather. Hopefully we can get out there and stay safe, everyone. Leave a comment, subscribe if you can, and we'll go from there. I'll be back on Monday kicking it. I'm also going to do some studying this week. I got more coursework to do, which is pretty exciting. This is really amazing stuff. I'm really excited about my potential with this, and stay tuned. There's more to come. So have a great weekend. We'll talk to you soon.